Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is Metaverse Land and how to buy one of them. The Metaverse has opened the door to the realms of virtual world wide open.
Imagine you put on your glasses or headset and you're instantly in your home space.
Metaverse, a virtual world where users represented by an avatar can shop, socialize, participate in leisure activities and learn, has already become the focus of attention for those who want to invest. In the world of Metaverse, an attempt is made to create a virtual world where people can do social activities, where they can shop online and do the same thing they do in real world by buying virtual lands. Millions of dollars in digital land sales were made this week on major Metaverse projects. The first such sale was reported in February by Axie Infinity, a virtual world game where 8 plots were sold for 888 Ethereum or $1.5 million. Axie Infinity's team reported that it was the largest ever sell of one of the Genesis plot. Virtual real estate companies claim that Metaverse plots will increase in value 200 times over time. How to buy Metaverse lands? When we want to buy a land in real life, we go to the notary and buy the land with official documents when we meet with the landowner and agree on the price. But such is not the case on the internet. When you buy land, there is no real meeting with people directly. It is necessary to enter the site to be purchased and become a member. You buy the land you like on the map shown on the site. So how safe is this? Could the land you buy be cheaper elsewhere? What is the risk of being scammed? When you like and buy a place on the map, how much can it be yours, or is it possible to prove it? In the internet world, where there is a great risk of being deceived, it is necessary to be very careful. Metaverse land sales are accelerating as investors seize virtual land in a potentially $1 trillion market. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.